The ad, that means I'm monetized. What's going on YouTube? Your TikTok barber, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I finally got monetized. Thank God. Right now, I got a new video coming out, a whole tutorial. From now on, I'm start dropping whole videos because, you know what I'm saying, I'm really gonna get that paper, you know. But anyway, with further ado, in this video, what I did a, like, it's not a high top fade, it's not a boosted fade, it's just a fade. But anyway, with further ado, I'm not gonna keep you guys long, but you know what I'm saying, I just wanna let you guys know that I'm back, I'm monetized, I'm ready to get this money, I'm ready to get serious about this stuff, and you know what I'm saying. With further ado, let's get to the video. What is going on YouTube? It's your boy, your TikTok barber. I know it's been a while since I dropped a video, but your boy is back with that fire. But with further ado, let's just get into it. The very first thing you want to do is just grab your comb and comb the client's hair to the desired direction that it grows. And before you guys start bashing me, I have all type of clippers, but I just decided to use my old school Oscar 76s because, you know what I'm saying, I love the detachable blades that they have, and they give a real good smooth blend. So I went back to old school, and of course I have my, you know, other clippers in my arsenal, but I choose to use these just to make it more old school, you know what I'm saying? So the very first thing I did put a triple op on my clippers, and I'm just going all the way around my client's head, as you can see right now, and just make it clean, because like I said in my old videos, once you start a clean haircut, it will end up clean. So let's just continue to watch. If I'm done with the 3-up, I put the 1.5 detachable blade on, and I go all the way up to the parietal ridge. But like I said before, do not go over the parietal ridge, because you will be hitting the apex area, and that would be considered as a high fade. Don't nobody want no high fade, I'm telling you that right now. Not especially if you have hair on the top already. But yeah, that's the way it goes. So you know what I'm saying, I just want you guys to continue to watch this video to see how much further we can make it with it. This is the old blade. Now it's just like the open blade, no guard on your regular clippers, but it's actually detachable. I mean, it's just pretty much the same, but you want to just clear out as much as hair as you want to, so you can see your fade starting to take transition. So just be mindful and just take your time, because you know what I'm saying, you had to get every little stubborn hair that don't want to come out, because you know, I really did have a problem getting his hair cut, because he just was outside playing before he got his hair cut, and he was doing a lot of sweating. So therefore I had to, you know, wipe sweat from him and cut his hair, wipe sweat from him and cut his hair. I mean, it was a whole process. But other than that, you know what I'm saying, the cut came out pretty good. This is the 1A blade. It equals up to a 1 guard open. The only thing I'm doing is just going into that 1.5 that I went up to the parietal ridge with. But like I said before, don't go up too high on the parietal ridge, because you will be pushing the fade up real high. But in a matter of time, you know what I'm saying, you need to take your time. And as you notice, the line is getting lighter as I go around the parietal ridge. But the main thing about fading, really, just lighten up the spots that you want to fade in. Don't be too quick to fade, man, you know what I'm saying, because you know, everything had to fall in place. And you know, considering watching this video, you will learn, because you know what I'm saying, I learned by watching videos. So I'm not gonna say I'm the best barber, but hey, I'm a hell of a barber. Now I put my purple zero magnetic guards on my wall signals. I'm actually softening up that guideline. At first I thought I could take it out, but you know what I'm saying, but like I said earlier, he was sweating and everything, so it took a lot of work to get that line out. But yeah, I just kept going over the line and you know everything, and it was lightening up, but you know, I had to go to the next blade underneath the zero, which is a blade open without the guards. And that line pretty much came out, but you know what I'm saying, at the end of the day, I had to do a lot of detail work to make sure his fade fell in place. This is what a detail file's in there. I grabbed my gold balance FX and I, you know what I'm saying, just started to do a little detail. I mean, I'm pretty sure you still see that line. But at the end of the day, when I got done with his haircut, man, you wouldn't even notice the line was right there. But anyway, let's continue to watch this video. And while you guys watching this video, and if you made it this far, please hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification, because there will be more bangers dropping in the future. So let's, you know what I'm saying, let's just lock and load and just keep everything just going, man. Hey, man, big shout out to all my subscribers, man. For some odd reason, my Bablis FX wasn't getting the line out. So what I did, I just grabbed my Oster fast feed and started, you know what I'm saying, gradually get that line out. I guess because depending on the blade, because I do have a white ceramic blade on my Oster fast feed, and they work pretty good, and it really don't take much to, you know what I'm saying, fade with them. So that's why I always call my Oster fast feed my favorite clippers. But don't get me wrong, the Bablis Pro and all the other clips, hey man, the mugs hitting, but you know what I'm saying, at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying, I got to grab them Oster fast feed, man, because hey, look at that fade. All that right there on that one side comes from the Oster fast feed. So let's lock in. This right here actually makes the haircut a haircut, the edge up. Now, before I do anything, you know what I'm saying, I just comb the baby hairs down because I'm about to spray some holding spray on his edge up and brush it down and make sure it sticks to his forehead, because you know what I'm saying, I want that edge up to be so crispy, you know what I'm saying, you can sell it on the KFC menu. But anyway, you know what I'm saying, you notice his the center of his edge up is kind of like pushed back. So what I had to do, I had to go on the inside and, you know what I'm saying, just match them edges up. So therefore, I started in the middle and worked my way to his right, which is your left, while you're watching my YouTube channel. But you know what I'm saying, you can pretty much see his edge up right now. But let's just get into it and just see how it looked after the edge up. Now guys, don't bash me or anything in the comment section, because I just want to let you guys know firsthand, all my clients always ask me for enhancements. So I've been using enhancements for so long, to the point of, you know what I'm saying, I just be like, hey man, you want enhancements? Hey man, you know what I'm saying, everybody else get enhancements, so you want enhancements. So he voluntarily said, hey man, you know what I'm saying, hey, give me that spray, man. Spray your boy down. So you know what I'm saying, that's what I did. So let's just check it out. All right, YouTube, if you stuck around long enough to watch the process, man, you know what I'm saying, this how it looked when he first came in. He was looking kind of like down, but now I brought him back, you know what I'm saying. Make sure you guys go on my TikTok as your TikTok the Barber 1 and follow me, and also on Instagram at black_prince79. But with further ado, it's your TikTok barber, and you know what I'm saying, follow your boy on all platforms, especially on TikTok. It's your TikTok Barber 1. Peace.